Hi there, in this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can log out of Roblox on other devices if you think that your account is being used without your permission. So the first thing that you will have to do is go to your settings, which is right here, and then just go ahead and click that and wait for it to load. And now that you're here, you will click your security section, and what you will have to do is go to this section, and then you will just have to click log out of all other sessions, and then you will just have to confirm your action. And the next, of course, you will have to change your privacy or your password immediately for your safety. So just go ahead and click account info and then click password. And then what you will have to do is enter your current password and then your new password and confirm your new password. And then just click update. And yeah, that's basically just it. And I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.